Hello viewers, welcome to all. In the previous lecture, that is in lecture 19, we have taught you the relation between gross and net, number 1, number 2, national and domestic, and number 3, market price and factor cost. All these are the part A. In part B, we have taught you the interrelationship among different aggregates of national income. Today, I shall solve some problem which is related to the aggregates of national income. So the topic is problem based on aggregate on national income. Here I have written two problems on the green board. Number 1 problem, calculate the value of GDP MP, number A, and B, energy factor cost from the following information. Here information is given. And problem 2, that is question number 2, find the NDP factor cost from the following information. Now we have to solve these two problems. Before solving these two problems, first of all, we have to follow the chart of aggregate of national income, which is already I have discussed in the previous lecture. That means, first of all, you have to follow this chart. GNP market price, GDP market price, NDP market price, NNP market price. And here also GNP factor cost. Here also you have to write GDP factor cost, NDP factor cost, NNP factor cost. Whenever you have to solve this problem, you have to follow this chart first of all. According to this first question, already this NDP factor cost is given. NDP factor cost is given. That means this value is given. NDP factor cost is given. That value is equal to what? 74,905. This value. From this NDP factor cost, we have to find out GDP market price. So for the first question, that is question A, the root number A is what? NDP market price to GDP market price. That means you have to find out the GDP market price from NDP market price. And for the second question, the root is, for the B, the root is, here NDP market price is given. From this NDP market price, we have to find out the NNP factor cost. So here, from this one, we have to find out this value, NDP factor cost. So the root is, first of all, you have to calculate the value of NNP market price, then you have to calculate the value of NNP factor cost. So the root is NDP market price to NNP market price Next, we have to find out the value of NNP factor cost. This is another route. Or you can also follow up the second route, that is from NDP market price to you can find out NDP factor cost. Then you can find out from NDP factor cost to NNP factor cost. This also you can follow up this route, no problem. So first of all, we have to solve the problem. We have to solve the problem of question number A. Question number A. The root is what? NDP market price to GDP market price. Therefore, here the relation is only the gross and net. The gross domestic product and market price is equal to what? NDP market price. Gross and net depreciation, which component is depreciation. Okay, so gross domestic product GDP market price is equal to NDP market price plus depreciation. Already this NDP market price is given. The value is what? This value 74,905 plus depreciation is what? Depreciation is 4,486. 4,486. Therefore, the GDP market price is equal to what? GDP market price is equal to 79,391. So value of A, that is GDP market price, is equal to 79,391. Next, we will solve the problem B. From this, next I come to the solve the problem B, that is NDP market price to NNP market price. Next, NNP factor cost. So this one is the root. So from this root we have to find out the NNP factor cost. We have already NDP market price is given. That value is 74,905. First of all, NNP market price is equal to what? NDP market price. Here the relation is what? The national and domestic. So bridging component is NFI. So domestic plus NFI. That value NDP market price is equal to 74,905 plus this value NFIA. Already this value is net factor income from abroad, that is NFIA minus 232 is equal to 74905 minus 232 is equal to this value is 74,673. So NNP market price is equal to now we have to find out the value of NNP factor cost. Therefore, NNP factor cost is equal to NNP market price minus NIT, because the relation between NP and FC is bridging component is FC. Whenever you find out the value of FC, then NIT will be subtracted from MP. Now we have to put the value is equal to therefore NNP factor cost is equal to NNP market value, NNP market price is equal to 74,673 minus NIT is what? NIT net indirect tax is 8,344 is equal to the value is 66,329. 66,329 NNP factor cost. So this is the answer of D, and this one is the. So the number one problem is solved. Next I will come to this problem, NDP factor cost. From the second problem, here also you have to procedure, you have to follow the same procedure. You have to follow the same procedure. That is, first of all, you have to find out the root from the chart. Already chart I have written on the green just 2 minutes before. So here, first of all, you have to write the chart. Here GNP is given. From GNP market price, you have to find out the NDP factor cost. So the root is question number 2. Answer: the root is GNP market price to GDP market price. Next you have to reach at NDP market price, then you will reach at NDP factor cost. NDP factor cost. So this is the root. You have to follow this root. From this one, from this question, from the second question, here depreciation is given. Net NIT is not directly given. First of all, you have to find out the indirect tax, net indirect tax. You have to find out the net indirect tax. Given condition is what? First is GNP market price is equal to 14000. Depreciation is equal to 600. NIT is equal to IT indirect tax minus subsidy. That is, IT value is 1000 minus subsidy is 200. Therefore NIT is equal to 800. And factor income from abroad is given, and factor income to abroad is given. From these two, we have to find out the NFIA, net factor income from abroad. NFIA is equal to factor income from abroad. Factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. So the value is what? 400 minus 500. that is NFIA is equal to 400 minus 500 is equal to minus 100. The value is minus 100. So according to this result, we have to find out the value of NDP factor cost. So first of all, we have to find out from GNP to GDP. Therefore, GDP market price is equal to GNP market price. Here relation is gross and domestic and national. So it will be gross domestic product and national price is equal to gross national product minus NFIA. Here GNP value is 40,000 minus of minus 100, because here NFIA is minus 100 is equal to 14100 GDP market price. Next, NDP market price is equal to what? GDP market price. Here relation is net and gross. So net domestic product and market price is equal to gross domestic product minus depreciation. Here GDP already given. GDP and market price we have to find out. 40,100 minus depreciation is 600 is equal to 14,000 13,500 is equal to 13,500. From NDP market price, we have to find out the NDP factor cost. So NDP factor cost is equal to what? NDP factor cost is equal to NDP market price minus NIT. Already here NIT is already given. That value is 800.